Hi, and welcome to RedTrack onboarding videos. In this video, we will check how to add RedTrack tracking parameters to your Facebook ads or Meta ads campaigns. So go to Unlock account. Let's start with the dashboard. Go to your campaigns, pick up a Facebook campaign, scroll down, go to tracking parameters, copy tracking parameters from Facebook ads campaign, and go to a Facebook ad account. Of course, you can mass edit your ads. We'll look at the individual ad to see how it goes. So go to Ads Manager, go all the way down to the ad. This is your ad. So we have all the settings, you have your text, you have your URL. Don't add parameters here. Scroll down, and this is where you add URL parameters. Just copy and paste. If you have any existing parameters here, you don't need to remove them. For example, you had here UTM source equals Facebook. No worries, just put sign and paste all the parameters. RedTrack can coexist with all the other tracking CRM or any other solution you have in place. Just make sure you add our parameters, and that's it. Don't forget to publish the ads, and please note this message. If you edit campaign name, ad set name, or new ad, the new values will not be automatically populated to these parameters: ad name, ad set name, and campaign name. So if you want to keep new values in here, you have to manually change those parameters. For example, in here for ad name, we'll change it to new ad name. That's what this alert means. Please be mindful of editing your ads because otherwise Facebook will keep sending you old values. And please, if you edit tracking parameters manually, don't use spaces, question marks, I don't know, semicolons, or any other parameters that can break this sequence. Just use letters, digits, and dashes or underscores. Thank you. This was RedTrack Unlock onboarding videos, and we checked how to add tracking parameters to Facebook or Meta ads. Enjoy using RedTrack.